Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to block somebody on the Vinted application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Vinted application on your device, and once you open it up, if you haven't logged into your account, you will be prompted to do so. You can use your Google account, your Facebook account, as well as your email address and your password in order to log in. Once you have logged in, you will end up within the home page. From here, you can browse through various different products if you wish. And if you come across any profile that you wish to block, then simply tap on their username or their profile in order to access it. Once you are within their profile page, simply tap on the three dots at the top right corner, and you will now see the report as well as the block button. You can tap on the block button in order to block this user, and you will be asked whether you are sure that you want to block this person. You can confirm this by tapping on the block member option, and now this person will be blocked within your Vinted account right away, and you will now not be shown any more of their products. Now immediately after blocking this person, you will still be within their profile page, so you can see the unblock button that can be used in order to unblock this user later. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to block any user on the Vinted application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.